Hey there, welcome to CyberSec Expert, your gateway to successful career in cybersecurity. Are you ready to become a cybersecurity professional? At a CyberSec Expert, we are specialized in transforming aspiring individuals into skilled cybersecurity professionals. Whether you are a fresh graduate, an IT professional who looking to switch careers, or someone who passionate about cybersecurity, our comprehensive training programs are designed to prepare you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. So, why choose cybersecurity as your career? Cybersecurity is a rapidly growing profession, and the demand for cybersecurity professionals is consistently increasing. Cybersecurity is one of the highest paying industry due to the rising demand for skilled professional in the field. You can earn up to 50 lakh package in a cybersecurity job. Cybersecurity professionals are in high demand because the threat of cyber attacks is always present. Many cybersecurity professionals report feeling very secure in their job even during time of economic uncertainty. But that's not all. There are job opportunities all over the world in cybersecurity. Your skills can take you anywhere. There are various career options are available in cybersecurity industry, and also you will get the chance to work for some of the biggest and most well-known companies out there. Imagine you are working for global law firm, multinational retailers, or even government agency. It's all possible. And another awesome benefit is the ability to work remotely. Many cybersecurity jobs offer the flexibility to work from anywhere with an internet connection. You could be working for a company halfway across world without ever leaving your home. You can work in cybersecurity for the government or in private companies. You can also switch between the private and public sector to experience different work environments. And you don't have a specific degree. No worries. Cybersecurity is open to people from all kinds of educational backgrounds. Your unique experience can be a real asset. And guess what? You don't need a coding knowledge to get into cybersecurity. There are plenty of ways to learn the necessary skills. So it's accessible to just about anyone. That's where we come in. Our SOC analyst training and internship program provides real-time SOC training with hands-on experience using industry standard security tools. You will learn to handle real-world cyber attacks and prepare a strong resume and success in your interviews with a confidence and secure a job. Gain hands-on experience with these top-notch security tools and prepare yourself for real-world cyber security challenges. So what you will learn as a SOC analyst? Here at a CyberSec Expert, we prepare you for the world of cybersecurity. Here are some of the important tasks you will learn in our training program. First, proactive monitoring. You will learn how to spot and stop potential security issues before they become problems. Next, security alert investigation. You will practice to finding out why security alarms go off and how to fix issues fast. And next, log monitoring is like checking a record of action on your computer. You will see how to watch for strange things that could mean a problem. Email security is about keeping your message safe from bad guys. You will discover how to block phishing and harmful software. Threat intelligence means knowing what kinds of dangers are out there. You will learn to stay ahead of new cyber threats. IOC management helps you find signs that something is wrong with your system. You will learn how to handle this sign to keep things safe. Infrastructure health monitoring is like taking care of the health of your digital systems. You will see how to keep everything running smoothly. And lastly, 24/7 operations. This means always being ready to act if something goes wrong. So what we provide at a CyberSec Expert, we are focused on offering you comprehensive job-oriented cybersecurity training from foundational basics to advanced levels. Our program covers everything you need to know. Experience real-world cyber attack scenarios with hands-on training using industry-standard security tools. And our training is entirely practical, preparing you directly for the demands of the job. And the program span is 2 months, ensuring a focused and intensive learning experience. When you complete your training and internship successfully, you will receive a certificate for your accomplishment. Our internship program provides extra benefits to help you succeed. We will help you create a powerful resume by providing help and guidance. With our help, you will make a strong impression on potential employers. Succeeding in interviews is important. We offer comprehensive interview preparation, including real-world practice and mock interviews to boost your confidence. We will provide you with a cybersecurity interview questions and their answer, helping you learn effective ways to confidently respond. This preparation will make it easier for you to get a job. So, are you ready to start your journey in cybersecurity? Enroll in our SOC analyst training and internship program today. Visit our official website at www.cybersecexperts.com or contact us on WhatsApp at number is showing on your screen. Follow us on social media for latest updates and tips. CyberSec Expert, empowering the next generation of cybersecurity professionals. Join us and secure your future.